Hey, what's good, family? Microsoft just announced their earnings and things are not looking hot. If you saw my video from yesterday, you know the market is sitting at critical levels right now. And in this video, I want to talk to you about what we need to look out for or what we need to be watching for if the market is going to somehow recover. Otherwise, there's a good chance, hey, we are going to do some more falling here. All right, so here we are in the CNBC app. You can see at the top, Starbucks missed revenue as well. So that's there. But right here, Microsoft shares drop as cloud miss overshadows better than expected revenue. Going on, looking at Microsoft, taking a look at their initial move here. Let's go to their chart. Microsoft closed today at 422. And as of right now, after hours, it has dropped down to 393.04. So as of right now, Microsoft is down almost $30. And this also has a massive effect on the markets. So right here, looking at the QQQ, this darker blue line right here is the line. If you saw my video yesterday, if we break below this line, hey, we can be looking to fall a lot more. This is just a 15-minute chart, so this isn't as crucial. But looking on the 4-hour chart, hey, it looks like we are potentially in the process of ripping straight through it. On the daily charts, as of right now, we still haven't really closed below it. So right now in the after hours, we kind of don't have any information. We'll have to see how tomorrow plays out. But this is something we need to pay attention to. Tomorrow is such a pivotal day because tomorrow we get interest rate decisions. And this can either tank the market or save the market. So be on the lookout for that. Real quick, before we go over and look at that, as of right now on the weekly chart, we are still respecting this trend on the QQQ, but we are currently below the trend line. And then on the SPY, similar story. We're respecting the trend, but we are currently below the trend line about right here. So keep this in mind as the week plays out. Earnings are definitely not looking good right now. So that is why we are going to turn to the Fed to see what kind of impact the Fed wants to have. To those of you unfamiliar, this is a website called Forex Factory, and this just kind of keeps you updated with the economic events that are occurring. And if we take a look right here, this is the economic events occurring tomorrow. Everything in red is going to have a high impact. Everything in orange is going to have a medium impact. And the yellow, little to no impact. As you can see, tomorrow there is a lot of high impact events. An hour before market open, we have ADP non-farm employment, employment cost index, pending home sales. And then in the second half of the day, we have the big one. We have the federal fund rates. When this comes out, more than likely there will be some kind of large move to the upside, some sort of large move to the downside. It is not uncommon to see it in both directions. When the federal funds rate comes out and we get that statement, then 30 minutes after that, we're going to have Fed Chair Powell come out and he's going to answer some questions. He's going to speak, and ultimately he's going to talk about monetary policy and where he thinks it is going. And depending on where it looks like the policy is going, that is going to determine a lot of things. As of right now on the weekly chart, we are in an uptrend. But if the market does not like what he has to say, we've been in the downtrend on the lower time frames, like the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 5 minute, all those time frames. But if we look at the weekly, we have been in an uptrend. If the market doesn't like what he has to say, this could be the beginning of a downtrend. If you haven't already, be sure to sign up for Moomoo using referral link down below in the description. Get up to 20 free stocks when you sign up using that link. This deal is not available if you just go sign up on your own. Have to use that link down below in the description. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything, be sure to smash the like button. And if for some reason you made this far and haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content. And last, but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching. Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life.